Hi everyone, this is Jesin from EdulogiX, where we teach you logic behind things. Today I have an exciting news to share with you regarding a nursing course available in Adelaide, South Australia. This course is called Bachelor of Nursing Graduate Entry Program and spans over 2 years. The next intake for this course is March 2024, but I must remind you that the seats fill up very quickly. Before providing you more information about this course, I would like to thank Boomerang International who have sponsored this video. I will tell you more about them later in this video. Coming back to the Bachelor of Nursing Graduate Entry Program available in Adelaide, South Australia. This program is a very popular program, especially because you can do this program even if you are from a non-nursing, non-science background. This means that if you have done your graduation or masters in any of the field or stream, you can pursue your dream nursing career in Australia by doing this program. This means if you have a bachelor's or master's degree in any field or stream, you can do this program and be eligible towards nursing registration in Australia. Isn't that amazing? Just 2 years of study and you are on your way to become a nurse in Australia. In terms of the other eligibility requirement, you must have IELTS 7 each or PT 65 each to pursue this course. Additionally, because you're coming from different non-science and other backgrounds, you are required to pursue a short course of anatomy and physiology. This is an additional requirement but totally worth it. The annual fee for this course is $37,200, and if you are interested or if you know someone who's interested to pursue this course, please reach out to Boomerang International and their friendly staff will be able to assist you in your application process. You can also contact us for more information and we can connect you to the Boomerang International team. The team at Boomerang International is highly qualified and capable to handle your applications and have been assisting students from 2008. Don't wait too long to contact them. In fact, do it now because the seats fill up very quickly. So if you're ready to embark on your exciting journey to become a nurse in Australia, contact Boomerang International today itself and secure your dream nursing career.